This is CyberPi, a networkable microcontroller designed for teaching and learning computer science, artificial intelligence, programming, and more. It's tiny, it's small, but powerful with an assortment of built-in modules and features. Wait, what can it do? CyberPi is equipped with sensors. Simply drag and drop a few blocks to create a program. Easily collect information from your environment. And incorporate data science into your lessons.
Hi, hello.
It even records your voice.
Hello.
Awesome! CyberPi can also be programmed with Python, both live and upload modes. For example, you can create a motion-controlled game. Its full-color display can show text, icons, charts, and even graphics you create. Now here's something cool. The brain of CyberPi is a chip that integrates Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a powerful processing core into one. With this, CyberPi can speak multiple languages. You can also set up wireless local area networks among multiple CyberPi to have them communicate with each other. With its large memory capacity and dual-core processor, CyberPi can run multiple programs simultaneously. Better still, it can offer more. CyberPi is not alone. Learning opportunities can be extended by adding modules with powerful features such as portability, movement, vision, and various sensing capabilities. The Pocket Shield and its battery give CyberPi autonomy and the energy to power motors, servos, and LED strips. It also makes CyberPi compatible with plenty of third-party sensors like Arduino. Even more impressive is the mBuild platform from Makeblock. Connect to multiple modules with only one interface and open the opportunities of creation for your students. Especially the Vision module, which enables CyberPi to easily see everything. That's CyberPi, a microcontroller designed for teaching and learning computer science, artificial intelligence, programming, and more. Take your classroom to the next level with CyberPi.